how to add free music to your YouTube videos. So in this video, I'll show you how to add copyrighted free music into your YouTube videos. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then click on the YouTube Studio. Now select Content, and here you'll find all of the videos that you have uploaded. Now just click on the edit button next to the video you want to add the music to. This can either be a published video or it can be a video in your drafts. Now from here, click on editor in the left hand side, and then what you can do is click on the plus audio track. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different free copyright music we can go and add to our YouTube video. Now, if there's a particular song or genre that you want to use, then you can just use the search box to go and search for a song. Now you can click on the play button to go and preview what this song sounds like, and then you can press the add button to add this into your video. Now once the song has been added, you can also go in resize this by making it smaller and shorter, and you can basically make this audio start playing at a specific point in the video. You can also do the same for the ending as well, just by resizing it like so. And once you finish with your audio track, you can just go and press save, and that's how to add free music to your YouTube videos.